Hi, I'm Juliana Johnston Centuria, and this is Jonathan.
Hi.
Hi. People in class used to call me Morah Chanah. And if you can believe it, Jay, we are in the very last lesson in our book, Alphabet Quest. I hope you have your book with you at home. It's pretty exciting, isn't it?
No more lessons, no more lessons.
We still have some review to do, though, right?
Aww.
And some really cool summer materials and games to put together in the next couple classes.
Yes.
Because you want to know why?
Why?
Well, because after all this work of going through this whole book, you don't want to forget everything you learned over the summer.
I think I'll forget it.
No, I think we want to try to keep it fresh.
Okay.
Let's take a quick look at lesson 20, though. It just has a couple little picky things.
Picky exceptions.
Yeah, and these are blends. These are blends. Like, do you remember when we learned the I sound? Where you take an ah with a yud and it turns it into I when you blend it together?
Yeah. Is it so like that?
Yeah, it is just like that. Let's show the first one. The first one, you guys probably know this sound because you've probably said it before. It's oi. You might have heard it as oy vey. Oy vey. It's kind of like saying, oh my gosh, wow, really? So oi is like an exclamation. But oy vey is actually Yiddish. Did you know that? It's Yiddish. The Hebrew is oy va'avoy. Why don't you try saying?
Oy va'avoy.
I hope everybody at home is going to try too. Oy va'avoy.
Oy va'avoy.
Okay, so that's the Hebrew version of oy vey. So oy looks like this. This is that blend. O with a yud, oy. That's it. Okay, there's one other blend in this chapter though, so let's show that. And this one is ooh-y. Ooey.
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 It's gooey.
Like in gooey. That's exactly
Wait,
right.
I forget. Is there a Hebrew G sound?
Yeah, gimel, remember?
Alright, so you could do gimel and then this, and then you get
gooey. Okay, so that's really all this chapter is about, are these two blending sounds. And there's a bunch of examples of them at the bottom of page 92. I hope everybody will join us in looking at those. Let's look at the first couple on line 1. Do you want to try that?
Goy.
Goy. Try it again.
Goy.
Good, that oi sound. Okay, and let's try the next one.
Oi.
Oi, that's oi. That's how you, the oi, just like at the top of the word. I mean, the top of the page. Oi. Right. Okay.
Oi.
You got them. Okay, now let's see. Let's try,
Is there gooey?
let's try it here on line 3.
Galooey.
You got it. So the ooey sound.
Galooey.
Galooey. Okay. Good. Okay, so that's good. So you get the idea. And then there's one other kind of super secret reading, you know, the super reading secrets that they always talk about in this book. This is at the top of page 93. And this is about 2 shvaim. You remember the shva? The 2 dots that go this way? You know, it's that one that's so different that I put it on white paper and I hung it underneath the telephone in the room. Right. It's
And that
like,
paper looks more gray.
I know. Well, you know, what are you going to do? So the shva on its own usually doesn't make any noise, right? But we've learned a bunch of different rules about shva, and we're going to be reviewing them in class together. But this is the last one we're going to learn, and it's this one. When 2 shvaim go walking, the second one does the talking.
1, 2 shvaim go walking.
Right?
The second one does the talk.
You got it. And that means you don't hear the first one, but you
the
make...
second one does the tiny sound.
Right, that tiny
It sounds so like
not
it
just
sounds like
no, don't confuse people.
Okay.
Say it with me. It's just a little or okay, just a tiny thing. So let's try a couple of these words. So I'm on page 93, line 1, and I hope everyone at home is with me. So, exactly. Yes, yes. Kad shacha. Good. Good sounding out. Let's try one more. Vote. Good. Machshavot. Machshavot. Good. Okay, so you hear that little sound on the second shva, right? Two shvaim go walking. Second one
does the talking.
First
one just kind of goes to sleep.
Exactly. Okay, that's all there is to it. I'd like everybody at home to do the exercise at the bottom of page 93. There's just 1 through 5, and you're going to be circling sounds that sound alike. And then to do page 94, which is the very last page in the book. I can't believe it. Give me 5 on that. I can't believe it. So, we're going to do all kinds of fun review games in the next 2 weeks. This is our very last video. So, shalom.
And
Lehitraot.